My name is Jason Putz. I'm a physical therapist at Physical Therapy Solutions in Dyersville, Iowa, as well as over in Manchester. Today we're going to talk about the throwing mechanics of a football, which is much different than the throwing mechanics of a baseball. So when we're teaching our youth, I think we really need to emphasize proper technique to try to take some of that strain off of throwing a big ball compared to a small baseball. So number one, alignment. So we're always going to try to get in alignment where we're pointing towards our target. And if we're pointing towards our target, as we cock ourselves back, this hand, we want to come back and up, and we're going to bring that ball over top of our head. So a lot of kids like to kind of sidearm stuff, or they'll come in with a short arm. And so we really got to try to get them, as they cock, they're cocking back and up and coming over at the top of their head. And so then as they come on through, that front leg, just like in baseball, is kind of turning and pivoting towards that target. And then as they come on through, that ball is coming over top of the head, and then they're coming out as they let go of the ball. Again, that's a much different mechanics than a baseball that's coming out to the side. A heavy ball with a baseball arc motion is going to be extremely strenuous on the medial collateral ligament of the elbow, and very strenuous on the shoulder as well. So being able to kind of come over the top and have the elbow kind of driving forward and flinging the ball from over the top of the head and keeping that arm and shoulder close to the body is a lot less stressful on the shoulder, a lot less prone for patients or clients to have injuries. So with that in mind, please take that home to your young men that are throwing and try to get them to come over the top of their head or their helmet and try to release that ball up over top versus out to the side. My name is Jason Putz. I'm a physical therapist. You can reach us in Dyersville at 563-875-8615 or in Manchester at 563-927-1499. You can always reach us on the web at www.ptsiowa.com, as well as like us on Facebook. Thank you.